Today we're going to Castle Peak and we have to visit Qingshan Monastery as well. So from Shuhong MTR station exit B1, we will go down to that escalator and take 615P LRT and then alight at Chingwon station. When you reach Chingwon station, turn to your right and then cross the stoplight and then turn to your left straight.
Pagdating dito, you follow the Hing Choi Street. Turn to your right. Kasi andun na yung aakyatin namin. Oh, that's so high, yeah. That's why they say steep siya. Grabe, oh. I-follow natin yung Qingshan Monastery. Pupunta doon kay Bruce Lee. Tapos yun yung aakyatin natin for today! Oh my God! I love it! Dito banda. Tawid here. Be careful when crossing. And then, wala naman galing dito. Other side.
From here, you carefully cross the road to the other side and turn to your left.
Careful when crossing. So dito pumunta yung dalawang kangkong, si Andrew at saka si Andrea. Dito sila pumunta. So dito yung umpisa. We will follow the monastery. Whoa! Ito na ipasamit ka awan. Haan.
Go up following Qingshan Monastery.
One. Ting 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 ting. Okay na. Tayo sa taas yung monastery. Kaya nga, open na. Doon sa taas. Yun yung monastery. Sa taas.
Qingshan Monastery is where Bruce Lee's movie Enter the Dragon took place. Actually, I don't have any idea for this place that Bruce Lee's movies took place until my sister and her fiance Andrew came here to visit, and it's actually they found the place. This was the exact location for the movie.
Okay, dito na start yung hindi namin nahanap si Bruce Lee kasi natatakot naman ako dun maghanap-hanap. Kaya ang dami nagpe-pray dito sa Qingshan Monastery. So let's start the hike going to the peak, Castle Peak. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, step. Let's go. Let's go. All the way up there. Another pavilion here. Oh, I'm not equipped. Hike up. Bad weather. We use this place only on and papaakyat. Gosh. Yung turo ko umakyat paano? Yan, ganyan. Ganyan. Sige. Karada pa. Karada pa. Gusto mo yan. Basag ang tuhod. Gapang. After 2 hours, including rest, we have reached the final pavilion. Finally. Here is more peaceful. Finally. Uy, nabasa. So beautiful. Yung sun is right up there. Wow, ingur ay dagtiniti ko for lotion kada ko. Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin dito sa taas. Sa may bahay, ay danger. Ayaw nila. Hindi ko ko alam kung saan. Pero let's go and see up there. Tapos ayaw na na. Yung mga vlogan na sa agawis, tabangin kat, ayabang pa lang siya. Oh. Tapos ayun, oh. Agawis na ba ito? Agawis ka na diba? Agawis. Agawis, tabangin. Hatang mo naman gawin. Agad ka mo tatawa pa rin magpakasin. Agawis? Apakasi agawis. Agaw-awis. Kasi data pa. Agrore ka rin po na. Uy! Kasaka. Ito yung karkang taabay sa sakat. Mami, what are you doing? Iiba, damatis. Oh, dito yung close capture ng pinakamataas na peak dito sa may yun lang. At saka ano daw to eh, third, one of the sharpest peak in Hong Kong. Sharpest peak. So yan yung dulo niya, as in narating ko. Oh, so good. Dito, Castle Peak Trigonometric Station number 90. Altitude, latitude, longitude,